Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to talk about the 30 minutes scalping scanner which we have created yesterday and how the scan will work for today. And again, today is a big move, Nifty 410 and almost 2.5%. Bank Nifty is near about 3% up. After market open, everything is going up. But even those conditions, we have some stocks which is satisfied our conditions. So we are not uh, focusing all the stocks. We focus the 30 minutes scalping bull. So here we find out some stocks like Forge Industries, Aarti Industries, McDowell, ICICI, Cummins India, Siemens. These are the stocks we can filter by 30 minutes scan, and RBL Delta Corp it's about 5 minutes, and Mindtree, Voltas, TCS on 15 minutes. So here yesterday we created about that 30 minute scan, so how the stock is performed and all the stocks are performing well because overall market is good today. And let's check these stocks. Large Industries was the first one, forms 30 minutes bullish. Go to check. Let's look at this. What was the risk in this trade? And how I'm going to make this trade, the stop loss and target 51 240 51 693, so almost 240 60 300 400 point nearby stop loss because the value of the stock is almost 51,000. So here we have the stop loss nearby 400 point, and this is happening at the third candle. So if you are focusing a 30 minutes candle, you need to focus for 10:45. So after 10:30, if you are looking at the scanner, it will filter out those stocks which is satisfying that conditions, that is keep on higher high, which is after market opens. Let's look at that, almost 7 consecutive greens. This particular stock, 1 2 3, almost seven consecutive green. So from 51,693, it maximum picks up to 52,686, almost 1,000 points. We are taking a risk of 400 rupees. So why am I not going to add an hourly? Because that hourly scan it take as a positional. So we may use this for an intraday trade. And the stock Aarti Industries is the second one. Aarti Industries. Let's look at this. This is also performing well today. 758, 752, 59 to 52, almost 7 rupees risk for the trade. So where this is the candle, signal candle, after the first 3 consecutive bullish, and the third one and the fourth candle, it looks like a hanging man candle, and the fifth one should be the hammer candle. But that taken a time almost another 1.5 hours, then only it give you a breakout. So that time is around 12:15. So we find out the trade setup by 10:15 to 10:45. After 3:30 minutes candle, almost 1.5 hour, the stock doesn't give you breakout. On 12:15 candle, it gives you the breakout around 7:58, and it is closed by 760. Maximum made it is around 775 is the highest level where it is reaching towards the top. So where we are taken the risk for the trade is just about 7 rupees, and it moves towards more than nearby 20 points. That is what the second one, based on our 30 minutes scalping scanner. Yesterday I told you how to create the scanner, so you may create the scan and you can make use of it. And McDowell is the third one. McDowell, yes, McDowell doesn't give you entry in a touch spread. But we go to check. This is the stock. Yeah, here second candle it gives you the entry and it was stop loss. How many points you are taking the risk? 854.95 to 845. So almost nearby 10 rupees risk on that. So the risk is got triggered, and the second time it reaches to closing hours only it reaching peak. So this is the stock where it stop loss today. And another one, ICICI Prudential, Cummins India. We go for ICICI Prudential. 1 to 3 consecutive hub. So instead of taking a 5 minute scalping scanner, you can use this 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Even you get enough time to take a trade. 4 rupees, nearby 5 rupees is the stop for the trade. After triggers your entry around 523, it reaches to the peak of 528. It's almost 5 rupees is generated, and but it taken a long time, and end of the day only it triggers you the target. And Cummins India, Siemens, India, fourth one. Here it may be yes. The risk for the trade is 1228, 8 rupees. And the next one 33, not moving. It was a stop loss trade. After you triggers your entry, it got to trigger your stop loss. And finally we seen Siemens once. That is never give you entry opportunity. So if you are focusing that bullish side or bearish side, just keep the stop loss. But if the stop loss is suitable to you, on the risk which you are focusing for a small risk, that you can focus for it. So I think that was working well, and if you have any questions or comment, just comment on that. And today around 45 degrees, so a lot of stocks were coming: IDFC, L&T, IDFC, First Bank, G Entertainment, India Bull, RBL. In a downside, there are GSPL, Power Grid, PVR. So these are the stocks. But I did a trade in this one, the IDFC First Bank. It's not based on the 45 degree, but it is the trade which I have done by advanced strategy, where I got an entry today in 50 call option. The price is around 4.2. I took an entry and it went up to 5.4. The lot size is big on that particular IDFC First Bank, is around 15,000 rupees for a lot. So I got an 1 rupee, more than 1 rupee, that is good enough. So try to book a profit. Intraday itself, that was another great trade by based on the advanced strategy. And OTM options also works better on that. About 55 call option, that was taken around 1.5 rupees, 1.5 rupees is the entry price, and that one went up to 2.6 in intraday. But I'm showing you these are the two trades. Let's look at this, my entry, the advanced options, based on the advanced options. The entry got triggered. It was started by 60 paisa. Let's look at this. Previous close, that closed by somewhere around 60 paisa by yesterday, and today it moves big, almost somewhere around 2.6. Not a small move, it's a big move, almost 200% the option increased. Let's look at this. 200% option were increased, equal to sorry, 200% from 65 it went up to 2.6. That is what a great move. And my entry got triggered based on the advanced strategy. Those who are attending my class, you know very well. So 1.5 I took an entry. It went up to 2.5. So it's a good amount of profit, where I made around 15,000 rupees. That's good enough. I exited. Not able to, I'm not holding. And the second one, it's ATM jackpot strategy, which we are going to focus 50 call option. I took around 4.2, and it went up to somewhere around 5.4. Again another 1 rupee. So it was another great trade. And looping also, some of my one of my student who messaged me after the trade, he was booking a good profit in looping based on the strategy that strike price he taken around 760 call option. Around 10 rupees, he closed by 19 rupees. Almost he made nearby 7,000 rupees profit. So it's a working strategy. So we are doing it. So if you have any questions or a doubt, just comment on the comment box. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends. If you have any question, just comment on that. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.